Good morning. Today we're going to take a look at the Speedy adapter version 2. Speedy is an app that allows you to configure your flight controller using a phone or a tablet. With Android, you can use an OTG cable, but for iOS, you have to use an adapter. Version 1 uses Bluetooth, and version 2, this one, uses Wi-Fi. Let's open it. So you have this card with a connection diagram. And then we have a cable here and the adapter itself. So you have an XT60 connector here and a JST-PH connector here. So you can power this with 1S Whoop batteries and bigger batteries up to 6S. And then on the other side, you have two USB connectors. This one is actually the live connector, and this one is a dummy connector that serves to hold the cable when you're transporting it. So what you do is you disconnect this one and then connect this end to the FC. So let's try it out. Okay, so you will see a flashing red light. On the Speedy app, you have the option to connect using Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. Bluetooth is used by the version 1 adapter, and for the version 2, we will use Wi-Fi. First, we need to connect to the Speedy's Wi-Fi network. It's called SB Adapter 2. And now we're connected. So you have setup, ports, configuration, power and battery, failsafe, PID tuning, receiver, modes, GPS, motors, OSD, LED, mode and pin association, VTX. You can load common VTX tables, and the CLI. So it gives you access to most of the things that you need to configure. Aside from that, there is also additional functions like FC firmware flashing. So you can download the FC firmware, but first you need to reconnect to the internet because the Speedy adapter doesn't have an internet connection. Once the download is done, you need to reconnect to the Speedy. And then flashing will commence. And you have flashed your FC. So aside from that, there are also other things like BL Heli configuration. Of course, you need to connect a battery for this. And then there's also one-touch configuration for some diatone and Ishin quadcopters. And a few other extras. And that's it for my unboxing and overview of the SpeedyB adapter version 2. It's definitely a convenient gadget, not just for iOS users, but also for Android users who don't want to be tied down with an OTG cable. And of course, you can use this not just on the field, but also at home. Definitely something to add to your toolkit. Thank you for watching.